pasensya na, parang biglang may nawala ng gana. But sana po, isa po Philippines! Let's go, Puso! Dahil natalo po si Alex Ayala, kami na bumabawi para sa but this is a good time, I mean, except for the other things na nangyayari sa bansa natin in terms of sports and representing the Filipinos, the Philippines on the international stage. This year has been a good year para sa ating lahat. And this event, like I said kanina, will bring two cultures together. Marami sila mapapasaya sa inyo. Ngayon pa lang alam na namin to. Nung announcement pa lang nakita namin yung excitement ng bawat tao. So we just ask for your support. Supportahan yung po sana yung event. Pero sana po kami rin mga players supportahan nyo. But again, maraming salamat. Thank you. And sana po ay tulungan nyo kami.
Thank you very much for playing Coach Gerald Anderson. Maraming salamat. And also to our interpreter, Alex from Star Hall. Maraming salamat. Guys. But to everyone watching, huwag po kayo maalis dahil meron pa po tayong makakausap mamaya. So stay tuned to all of our kapamilyas watching right now. Live tayo ngayon sa Star Magic YouTube and Facebook page. So thank you very much. Hindi pa tayo tapos dahil hindi naman namin kayo bibitinin habang kayo ay in the ASG moment. So this is the part where I say, but wait, there's more. Because there's definitely more to watch this August 23 with our fierce ladies.